back to our channel. It's your girl Shishi, and today we got the Each One Reach One Fruit Challenge, and I was tagged by Queen of Trades. And let me read what this is, okay? This challenge was created by NickyLovesLove Mukbang ASMR, and it's Squeeky. The rules are: number 1, eat fruits of your choice, as many as you like. 2, tag at least 3 or more channels of your choice. 3, add all the channels I tagged with the link in the description box. 4, hashtag the Each One Reach One Fruit Challenge. 5, once challenge has been completed, the tag channels will be placed on Squeeky and NickyLovesLove's playlist. 6, enjoy eating your healthy fruits. And I tagged 3 people. The first one I tagged was Living with the Lees, Hannah Banana and Jason. The second person I tagged was Rock with Rob YouTube and IGTV, because he tagged me in his noodle challenge, so I tag you in this one. The third person is Awesome, Mukbang Terminator. All these channels are awesome, you guys. Go check them out. I will put their descriptions in the link below. The links in the descriptions. Sorry. It's been a while. I know. I've been pretty busy with Christmas and everything. We've all been busy, you know. So we didn't really get much time to do all of these things right away. And I'm so sorry, Queen of Trades, that it took me so long to do this. And let me tell you what I got, okay? I got a big giant fruit salad, okay? I got oranges, cantaloupe, mangoes, grapes, 2 different kinds of grapes, as you could see, green and red for Christmas, and pineapple. They didn't have strawberries at the place where I got this. And to drink, I got water with a lemon wedge. Of course, I gotta have my tahini. And this one is low sodium. I don't know if that matters, but it's a little bit more better, I guess. Hold on, you guys. Just want you guys to see when I put the tahini on. Look, take a look at those puppies. Take a look at those puppies. This fell out. Okay, what are we gonna eat first? Let's try a grape. And you guys know my favorite fruit is strawberries, and they didn't have it. So delicious. I'm not a really fan of sweets, anything sweet. Fruits, it's nature's candy, so of course I'll eat that. And it's juicy. I don't know why they cut these this big. Look. Who could fit this in their mouth? Like, come on now. Here's a red or purple. I can't even get it. I'll just use my hand. So is everyone ready for Christmas? I think I keep asking you guys this all the time. But I'm finally done with all my shopping. Done with everything, finally. Get to relax. And just wait for Christmas. Done wrapping gifts. Done shopping. What the hell? These pieces are way too damn big. Like, what do they expect? Put this whole thing in my mouth. I don't know if you guys like mango, but I love mango. The tahini on it. Let's see if I could fit this whole thing in my mouth. They cut these way too big, guys. It's dripping. Like, why do they make these so damn big? I should have cut them like in little tiny cubes. It's more easier to chew, you know, so it could digest easier. Damn it. They put a lot of fruit. Where did I get this at? There's a place, there's a little grocery store. It's called Cardina's. It's cool because they got like a bakery, taqueria, and they have lots of fruits, and you could tell them whichever kind you like, and they put it together for you. For some reason, they didn't have strawberries, so I was like, oh my god. No strawberries. Minute. I always choke on the tahini, the little tiny flakes or whatever, the little seasonings. They get stuck somehow. So far, I'm loving these mangoes. They're super sweet, delicious. Now let me know what your favorite fruits are, guys. I know we all have like different types of tastes, and one of my favorite fruits, you're gonna find funny, but it's tomatoes. And of course, we're not gonna put tomatoes in our fruit salad, but tomatoes and avocados are a couple of my favorite fruits. Also, another one has to be, of course, lemons. People keep texting me and calling me right now while I'm doing the video. Oh my god. This is so good, but I feel like I'm going to be burping pretty soon. Thank you for creating this. To the beautiful ladies that created this. NickyLovesLove. And it's Squeeky. This is an awesome idea. Healthy, yet delicious. I'm not digging the cantaloupe as much. The pineapples, oh man, I didn't want, they gave me green cantaloupe too, or honeydew. All the grapes are on the bottom. So what does everyone have planned for New Year's? Because I know New Year's is around the corner as well. Next week, of course, is Christmas. Dun, 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 dun. Time to open those gifts. Time to spend time with the family. Time to stuff our faces again. And then in January, everyone's going to be on a diet, right? Not this girl. Is everyone going to stay home? Are you guys going to go out for New Year's? We probably aren't going to do anything big because it's work time. I never finish, guys. You're like, whack, weak. Why don't you finish? It's just too much, you know. I should have gotten like a small little bowl, you know, but they gave me like a huge container like this. It's filling. fruit is actually filling because it has like the juice inside of it. The juice makes you full. This is actually my lunch because I had breakfast. Oh my god, I feel like I got a burp, but I'm just gonna hold it in. I guess there's people that like the burps and some don't, but I'm sorry. I think I do gotta. Oh, man. Okay, I think it bypassed. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. I'm so sorry. To those of you that don't like it, I'm so sorry. There's just too much juice in here and it makes me have to burp. I'm sorry. Do you guys like tahini on your fruit too? One fruit I don't really care for, that everyone seems to like, is watermelon. I really don't care for watermelon. I've never liked it. I just don't care for that flavor. Even like alcohol, candy, watermelon flavored stuff, I don't drink it. Juices that are watermelon, no thank you. That one, and I really don't care for pomegranate and kiwi. I know it's weird, but I don't care for those fruits. Okay. This fruit salad is way too big for me, guys. I'm gonna have to actually give the rest to Monchis when he gets home from work because I can't eat all of this. Plus, they, like I said, look at how big they made these. Look at this cube. Look. Come on now. That's huge. Now, some of these are made a little smaller, like this one. This one's bearable, okay? This one you could fit in your mouth. This is a bite-sized piece. The other ones are way too unrealistic. Come on now. You're going to fit that big of a piece in your mouth. Come on now. Like, who's going to be sitting there cutting their own fruit? Come on. Oh my god, I feel another burp coming on. I'm trying to make it go by, but it's hard. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Anyways, thank you, Queen of Trades, for tagging me. And the people I tagged, I'm going to put their link in the description below. Go check out their channels. Take your time on doing the challenge. You guys don't have to rush. Do it whenever you can. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed my fruit that I share with you guys. Go grab you guys some fruit. Let's get healthy, I guess. Never mind, I can't say that. This bitch eats hamburgers all the time. Anyways, thanks for hanging out with me and watching. God bless you, and it's Shishi signing out.